say I have 2 dogs in my yard. Yo, the dog them no stop follow me. Get it. Yeah. Watch him. The 2 dogs follow me. Watch him. You know how far me go and the dog them follow me. And now other dog want bite them up on the road. May I say the 2 dogs no easy. Me top already and me turn back the 2 dogs. Turn back actually 3 of them. I don't know the next one day. Maybe next one turn back. But the 2 dogs follow me all the way. Right? Miles. The dog them follow me go. When I come out of the car and look back, I see dog them come on my foot. I mean never know say dog them still a come. So see them right beside the vehicle and now they're going back. When I come here a few weeks ago, my brother saying he can't find the 2 dogs. They're missing. For months he can't find them. So I say, how comes like what they do? Did a bush or somebody take them? But nobody not taking on big dog. So I say, no man, something wrong man. But 2 weeks after me there, we see one, he find one a road. We see car and run the car. Eh? Because he say he try put him in the car and he go through. When he put him in, he jump through next window. So he decides alright, he don't drive. And make the dog follow him. And the dog follow him come home. And the dog follow him come home. And about a week after, the next one come in the yard. And we say, when the wish party when they. See, told them there. Follow me go straight the road. Look how them a blow. It didn't come out of their head. Look, eh. Oh God. Yo, wanna be stop here? Who dog gonna follow you go anyway? Watch him. So next time I have to go make sure when I come out of the yard, them turn back because I way up here so then I see them and I stop and I fling stone off of them and I feel so then turn back because they went turn back. Because they turn back to the point to me and I see them again and the 2 dogs turn back again and come off of the car. And I see them there. That's him. And then I go nowhere. I think. Cassie, where you going? Jeez, man. And other dog I road like run them down and try bite them up, but then I make a car left them, so them follow the car. But so you go. Now my plan to get 2 breadfruit. One of them bread and I can't get to go again because I have to make sure they don't go home. Right? Make sure they reach home safe and then follow me go because if they go down there so them now get to come back up. Oh boy. So tomorrow me get the breadfruit for that day. But I get sure I get banana and I get yam. So I'm go get breadfruit, but the breadfruit is somewhere else because breadfruit that go man now like there's not much breadfruit around. So 1 and 2 places like you have breadfruit. So that's why I'm going to go hunt it, but no luck. I now have to bring back this bad dog like watch him. Come back home at the yard. some piece. I don't know where next one me. Oh boy. So I'm basically putting on these strips in the middle to hold it from pushing when the concrete pour. I don't want this part to push this way and push back and have a bulge in the middle, so I'm gonna strap it with these strips that I have. So let's see if this works. Hope it don't burst it. Burst it already. So I'm gonna have to do this then. Oh boy. Okay, and this now I'm gonna put it here. So nice and sturdy now. I do it all the way up to hold the middle. So each one have a nail. So I stop it from push. And it's pretty strong now. So I can pour concrete as soon as I get the cement. So it's basically finished. Only thing I have to do now is to put some stone underneath the steel to raise it up off the ply. So I don't want the steel to show, and then the ply pull down. You can see the steel in the concrete, so I want to lift it up. So I'll lift it like that. So I can put stone underneath it. Sleep well. Can't work or kill me. So get some pieces like this to put underneath. If I can get stone, I get stone. If I can't, I get building block. I need a pry bar. Where it is? Oh, up there. this. And pry it up. Okay. What happened? Huh? Mira, amor. I'm gonna put these underneath it now, lift it up. I'm good to go. I'm gonna have to break up a building block to get the pieces. It can go through. There you go. Up there is high enough, so don't worry about up there. Section. I'm worried about. Let me know it from where. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think this is good enough now. Get this. So this is the last part of it for it to pour. So this is it. So complete. I dig out the sides to put the steel in so it can hold properly. So this is the staircase. Lightning is flashing, so I'm gonna get myself cleaned up and get the space organized. Pack up my tools, take out all this garbage out of here, and get this space ready for casting soon. Sudans is over there cooking dinner. But the place is overcast, look like it's gonna rain. So I guess I'll show you guys when I'm ready to cast, or if I have anything else to do, and I'll come back.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past how we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.